So we start taking the Camaro apart. My friend Tracy came over to help me pull it apart, which I really appreciate him doing this. So now that we have the car all apart, it's time to clean up the tools and take a look at it a little closer and see what we have to do to get this car together. Okay, here's what I have. Ran into a little dilemma. Alright, this is the control arm that I took off. And this is the control arm that has to go on. But here's the problem. And this control arm was made by someone about 20 years ago. But the only problem is, when you look at it, look at the difference in how wide the control arm to the frame is. So, the problem is, now, this control arm won't bolt on to the location that these tabs are in. I hope you can see that. I don't have a whole lot of light under here. So, that's a problem. And the big problem is that I have to figure out where I have to move those tabs or put tabs at for this control arm to work.
The first thing I'm gonna do today is take this shock out of the way so I can figure out where this new control arm is gonna mount. I have to cut these tabs off, so I got to get this shock out of the way first thing.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put the upper control arm on. I'm gonna put some shims in so that way I have some adjustment, because if I put them in with no shims when I weld everything up, I won't have any adjustment for an alignment. Here I have the jack underneath the spindle, and I'm putting the pry bar in there to tighten up the upper ball joint, because it is tapered. If you don't put pressure on it, it'll just spin and spin and spin.
So what I did, I bought some tabs from the local speed shop, Paradise Road Speed and Custom, and Carter hooked me up with these tabs. They're in the shape of the ones that are on there. But the ones that are on there, they're too shallow, so it's hitting the bar. Let me get it better so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so these are the ones I got from Carter, and the ones that are on there are exactly like this, except for they're shorter, and I have to put the hole in them. But let's say the hole is here. Well, the control arm is hitting the bar that this has to be welded to. So the hole has to be out here so that the control arm has room. So Carter hooked me up with these. I just got to find the right spot and drill the hole where I need them.
And on the next video, we'll start doing some cutting and grinding and starting to line things up. If you like the video, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and share. I'll see you on the next one.